This one is Vivo Y05. Now today I'll show you how to connect OTG, use 64 GB pendrive in this phone. If your phone connect OTG, use pendrive in this phone. For this first you have to need to an OTG and pendrive, and I need to an OTG and pendrive. I connect OTG and pendrive properly. When connect OTG and pendrive properly, second time I just put this OTG on my phone. Wait few seconds and you can see my phone OTG is not working. Second time I find the option called settings. Scroll up, scroll up, scroll up. When find settings, then you just go to this option called settings. When go settings, you see many options from here. You can see an option called more connections. Then you just go to this option called more connections. When go more connection, you can see an option called again OTG. You just turn it on this option OTG and enable your phone OTG connection properly. If your phone OTG is not working, you just replace OTG and solve your phone OTG not working problem. You can see an option called system UX. You just click on this option, and when you click on this option, you can see click agree and show your phone OTG file. You just click on this option called OTG and show your phone pendrive file. So viewers, finally, if you want to like this video, please subscribe my channel.